Hello, and welcome to our video on the 8 precious gifts in life that we must never overlook. Life is a wonderful journey that is full of surprises and blessings. But it is also short and unpredictable. We often get so busy with our daily routines and responsibilities that we forget to appreciate the small things that make our lives meaningful. In this video, we will explore 8 precious gifts in life that we must cherish and value. These gifts are free, but they are priceless. So, let's dive in and learn more about them. 1. Health. The first precious gift in life that we must never overlook is our health. Good health is the foundation of a happy and fulfilling life, yet it is often taken for granted. We only realize the importance of our health when we fall ill or face a health crisis. We must take care of our physical and mental health by eating healthy, exercising regularly, and practicing self-care. We should appreciate our bodies and be grateful for their strength and resilience. We should also be mindful of our habits and avoid things that harm our health, such as smoking, excessive drinking, and unhealthy eating. 2. Family. Family is another precious gift in life that we must cherish and value. Our family is our support system, and they are always there for us through thick and thin. They provide us with love, comfort, and a sense of belonging. We must show our family members love and appreciation and create happy memories with them. We should also be there for them in their time of need and support them through their struggles and challenges. 3. Friends. Friends are the family we choose, and they bring joy and laughter into our lives. Good friends are like precious gems that shine bright and make our lives better. We must never overlook the value of having good friends and always make time for them. We should be there for them in their time of need and celebrate their successes and accomplishments. We should also be willing to forgive and forget and be open to new friendships. 4. Love. Love is a precious gift that brings warmth and happiness into our lives. Whether it is the love of a partner, a friend, or a family member, we should never overlook its value. Love is a powerful force that can heal wounds, mend relationships, and bring people together. We should always appreciate the love we receive and express our love to others. We should also be willing to forgive and forget and be open to new relationships. 5. Time. Time is a valuable gift that we often waste on unimportant things. We should make the most of our time and spend it on things that matter. Time is a finite resource that cannot be regained once it is lost. We must prioritize our goals and focus on activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. We should also be mindful of our time and avoid wasting it on activities that do not add value to our lives. 6. Education. Education is a gift that can change our lives and the lives of others. It provides us with knowledge, skills, and opportunities to grow and succeed. We should never overlook the value of education and always strive to learn new things. Education is not limited to formal schooling but can be acquired through various means, such as books, online courses, and life experiences. We should appreciate the opportunities we have to learn and grow and use our knowledge to make a positive difference in the world. 7. Nature. Nature is a precious gift that provides us with beauty and tranquility. We should never take nature for granted and always appreciate its beauty. Nature is a source of inspiration, creativity, and healing. We should take care of our environment and do our part to protect it for future generations. We should also make time to connect with nature and enjoy its benefits, whether it is a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or a day at the beach. 8. Gratitude. The final precious gift in life that we must never overlook is gratitude. Gratitude is the act of being thankful for what we have and the people in our lives. It is a powerful practice that can transform our perspective and bring us happiness and contentment. We should cultivate an attitude of gratitude by acknowledging the blessings in our lives, expressing our appreciation to others, and focusing on the positives. Gratitude can also help us cope with difficult times and overcome challenges. And there you have it, the 8 precious gifts in life that we must never overlook. Health. Family. Friends. Love. Time. Education. Nature. And gratitude are all free, but they are priceless. We should cherish and value them and make the most of our lives. So, let's take a moment to appreciate these precious gifts and make a commitment to live our lives to the fullest. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.